Ang daming hugot ng isang Vietnamese girl na sinugod ng Katniel Pan sa kanyang social media account. Siya ang tinaguriang sinasabing di umano. Huling nakarelasyon ni Daniel Padilla, kiniligsa ang babae sa social media at sinabihan ng kung ano-anong masasamang at masasakit na salita. Dinamdam niya ang panalait at talaga namang nasaktan ang Vietnamese na babae. Kaya naman nagpaliwanag siya sa mga fans ng Katniel. Ang pangalan niya ay Mentung o Emma. Sabi niya, I have received a lot of messages from fans and supporters of Daniel Padilla, a famous actor in the Philippines. It is known that Daniel visited Vietnam last year with his friends. Prior to his visit in my country, I have never met him. My brother, Kuya, owns the bar that Daniel went to. My brother told me that Daniel is there and I can say hi to him because I know he is a famous actor. I saw Daniel and his friends in the bar, exchanged a few words, and then I went back home with my sisters. That is the end of my interaction with him. I know you guys you love and appreciate you, idol. I also feel the same to the artists I support. But please be civilized and polite. Please be a cultured person, you guys. Have threatened my life and my job. Sent messages and spam my family and friends. This is something I would not wish to happen to anyone. A lot of you guys think that I am someone important. But I want to ask the question, are you accusing me with no proof and all speculations? To be clear, I do not know who Johnny Moonlight is, and I do not care who is either. Ang buong original post na ito, siya ang sinasabing Vietnamese citizen na natatrabaho at nakahangout nilang naman si Daniel Padilla at ang mga kaibigan nito at saka nakakilala. Saka nabuhay na siya ng normal at wala ng koneksyon pa kay Daniel Padilla. I hope you maintain dignity and respect when coming to my social media. And please do not act without thinking. Nagulat ang fans kung paano nito naintindihan ang pambabas sa kanya ng Tagalog. Samantala, siya isang Vietnamese. Sa tingin mo, marunong kaya ito mag-Tagalog? O sadyang gusto niya lang din sumikat dahil isa siya sa mga naakirada o isa siya sa mga nabingwit ng mga Katniel fans?